Hello everyone, Christmas is a-coming and Roger's getting fatter. Please put a penny in the old man's hatter. That doesn't really go, does it? Anyway, just a very quick one. It is Christmas coming up. I've got the tree up, only took 5 hours, and I've got my little village. Oh dear, I keep sticking them down. They're all falling down, all my little snowball people. They keep falling down. I think they've had a bit too much alcoholic eggnog. I'll sort that later. Anyway, just a quick video, a last minute stocking filler for yourself or any young vacuum fans. If you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you'll know about this because I posted about the latest book in the Henry and Hetty's adventure series, and I put a link to where you can buy these. Ideal stocking filler for your young vacuum fan, or if you're one of those families that do the boxes, you know, the Christmas Eve boxes. That's something we never did when I was a child. You just got a big bin liner full of stuff on Christmas Day when you went downstairs at 4 a.m. We didn't even do stockings. I was a bit of a deprived child. But anyway, if you do stockings, or if you do the Christmas Eve box with some new pyjamas and some treats, this would be ideal to put in your Christmas Eve box to read on Christmas Eve night before your young vacuum fan goes to sleep and hopefully wakes up and Santa has bought him or her a vacuum cleaner. So this is book 12. I did a video probably last year showing you all the books and jigsaw puzzles you could buy. So £3 each. Link below the video. £3 plus postage and packaging. If you live outside the UK, I think they will ship outside the UK. If you live, say, in the USA, it might not arrive in time for Christmas, but, you know, it could be a nice New Year's present if it doesn't. I've seen some of these Henry and Hetty books for sale on eBay, and someone at the moment is selling one of these for $14.99 plus postage, and they're claiming it's rare. Well, they're not rare. You just need to know where to buy them from. So the best place I found is in the link below. It's a charity called Autism South East. You don't have to be autistic or know anyone autistic to buy them. This is just where you can buy them. They do this latest book and most of the others in the series. They also sell one of these, look, £4. Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, they're sold out, but they might get more stocks in. It's very warm. It's covering my ears. This would be ideal for going outside, walking the dogs, keep my ears warm, and you've got a Henry face. So that's £4. They do some jigsaws for £6 each, but all the books are £3 each plus postage and packaging. So I thought I would let you know, do another quick video because not everyone follows me on Facebook and Instagram. If you do, you'll already know about this and hopefully you've ordered and received your books. So this is the latest. This is Henry and Hetty's Magical Christmas Adventure. Can you imagine how exciting it would be to visit Santa at the North Pole? Join Henry and Hetty as they receive an invite to join Santa for a very special Christmas party. I'll just give you a quick look at a couple of the pictures. I don't want to give the story away. I've read the story and I was absolutely enthralled by it. It was fantastic. So anyway, it's wonderful. Santa's in it. Henry and Hetty are in it. I think George makes an appearance somewhere, probably helping to clean up after the party. I think George was in this book, or he might have been in another one. Certainly Henry and Hetty are in it. Ah, I can see George. Ah, I can see George, Charles and James. I don't know if you can quite see them. They're on the Christmas tree. So anyway, that's it. Link below. I'm not affiliated with Autism South East. I don't get a penny for showing you this book. I just thought that my subscribers and followers might like to know that the latest book is available and it's only £3. So click the link below. If you live outside the UK, I would email them first just to check if they can post it to wherever you live and they can give you a shipping quote, I'm sure. And as far as the beanie hats go, at the moment, at the time of making this, they don't have stocks at the moment, but this is where I bought it from. I must have got the last one, but hopefully they'll restock, and you might be able to get one of these as well. So thanks for watching. More Henry fun, and a very special Henry is coming up very soon on my channel. Quite a rare Henry, and I'll be joined by this rare Henry and a few of his pneumatic family, so you might want to tune in for that. So don't forget, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, especially Facebook. If you want a shout out for your young vacuum fan, you need to be following me on Facebook. I'll post details about that later on. I always do my annual Christmas shout outs for the young vacuum fans. So if you want a shout out, you will need to follow me on my iBasic Facebook page. Just search iBasic on Facebook and you should find me. So until the next video, I hope you are going to have a very happy Christmas and getting all your decorations up, as I have pretty early this year. Everything was done by December the 2nd, so I'm pretty pleased with myself. And more videos to come on this channel. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.